Kulkarni and I welcome you to our storytelling page Goshtin's Gaon. Can you all hear me? If yes, please give thumbs up or comment in the chat box, right? Today I am having a new story for you. And can you guess what's this? Yes, it's an ocean behind me. All the different fishes are there to meet you all. Wow! So, have you all joined? Should we start with the story? Yes or no? Please tell me so that I will start. Okay. And our page Ghost in Saga, I am trying to do live sessions, upload stories for all my little friends, and I'm also excited for your feedback. So don't forget to give your feedback. Okay, which story you like most, which song you like most, please let me know. Okay, so let's start with today's story. Are you all ready? Yes, the world under the ocean is very quiet and peaceful. Yes? Oh, but I forgot to tell you the name of the story. Yes, it is written and it was given to you. It's Tutu's tale. And do you want to meet Tutu? Yes, we will meet him soon. But first of all, let's meet all the other fishes in the ocean. And they all live like a family. Okay? They dance together, they play together, and they sung together. And whenever they are happy, you know which song they like most? Are you all ready with me? Come on, make a fish. When you're happy and you know it, wiggle your fins. When you're happy and you know it, wiggle your fins. When you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. When you're happy and you know it, wiggle your fins. Come on, wiggle your fins. Yes. When you're happy and you know it, shake your tail. When you're happy and you know it, shake your tail. When you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. When you're happy and you know it, shake your tail. Wow, such a lovely song, isn't it? Did you like this song? Come on, tell me. Show me the thumbs. Wow. What? There is someone who is style. And do you want to meet that creature? That creature is coming like this. Dick chicka dick chicka dum. Dick chicka dick dum. Dick chicka dick dum. Dick chicka dum. Can you guess who is this animal? No. I will give you some hint. Okay, this animal is having a hard back. We call it as a shell. This animal is very shy, and when it gets scared, it puts its body inside the shell. Can you guess it now? It walks very slowly on the land, but it swims very fast in the water. Can you guess? Yes, it's a turtle. And you know what? A mama turtle is coming to meet you all. Wow! Once there lived a mama turtle with a cute little baby. And how she walks? Dick chicka dum. Dick chicka dum. Dick chicka dum. Dick chicka dum. You liked it? Come on, try one more time. Dick chicka dum. Dick chicka dum. Dick chicka dum. Dick chicka dum. Wow! You liked it? Very nice. Now, you know what? Mama Turtle has made a small house for her baby. and name of her baby is Tutu, and we will call Tutu the turtle. And do you want to meet this cute little turtle baby? And here he is. Isn't he very cute? Wow, he's very small and cute little turtle, isn't it? Yes, Mama Turtle and Tutu lived in their house near the sea. Okay, when Tutu was very young, he used to play near the house. Okay, and then when he was, even when his mama is away from him, when she went to fetch a food, he used to play near the house only. Okay, you know what happened after that? As Tutu was growing, Mama decided to teach him swim. Okay, so every morning and evening, Mama used to take Tutu to the sea to teach him how to swim. Initially, Tutu was very afraid and he was not ready to enter the water. But you know what happened one day? Mama took Tutu to the sea surface and Mama went inside the water and she started swimming in her own style. And how? Dick chicka dick chicka dick chicka dum, dick chicka dick chicka dick chicka dum, dick chicka dick chicka dick chicka dum, dick chicka dick chicka dick chicka dum. Tutu loved this. Okay, and you know what happened next? Mama swirled and rolled in the water. She splashed some water and some water droplets some water droplets landed on Tutu. Tutu felt very nice. He was really very happy. And he decided to move forward. Okay. After that, you know what happened? The warm water touched Tutu's feet. Okay. And the soft sand tickled Tutu's feet. And he was really very happy. He was so excited that he entered into the water. But you know what happened? The water gets in Tutu's nose. He got scared and he called, "Mama! Mama! Mama!" And Mama quickly came and took Tutu in her back. And she was laughing. "Tutu, why are you so afraid if Mama is there?" Right? Now, after some time, Tutu was feeling very nice and Mama started swimming with Tutu on her back. Dick chicka dick chicka dick chicka dum, dick chicka dick chicka dick chicka dum, dick chicka dick chicka dick chicka dum, dick chicka dick chicka dick chicka dum. Wow! And you know what? Tutu was really very excited. So Tutu quickly jumped into the sea and even he started swimming. Dick chicka dick chicka dick chicka dum, dick chicka dick chicka dick chicka dum, dick chicka dick chicka dick chicka dum, dick chicka dick chicka dick chicka dum. And he was swimming. He was very happy. "Mama, Mama, can you see? Can you see? I'm swimming. I'm swimming." And Mama was laughing. Mama says, "Yes, Tutu, indeed you are swimming. And I'm so happy for you. But remember, you have to still learn a lot. So, promise me you will never come to the sea alone till I allow to do so." Tutu promised Mama, "Yes, Mama, I will not go alone in the water." And he was really very happy. After that day, every day, Tutu and his mother used to go to sea to practice swimming. And with each passing day, Tutu began to swim faster and become a better swimmer. But still, his mama didn't allow him to go to the sea alone because she knew there are many dangers in sea, of which Tutu not aware. One day, Mama had gone out to bring some food for herself and Tutu. Tutu was playing near his house. Okay, and you know what he saw? He saw a beautiful pair of dolphins. Wow, can you see these dolphins? Yes, the dolphins were splashing into the water. They are jumping, and Tutu just loved this. He wanted to make friendship with them, and he was thinking, I wanted to see them closely. Can I go and make friends with them? And he started walking. But he remembered, oh no, Mama told me not to go alone in the sea. Now, what should I do? I want to make friends with them. I want to play with them. Look how they are playing. Wow, they are really very sweet. Tutu was thinking and thinking, and then he said, but now I am grown up and I know how to swim. So I will go and I will come back soon. And thinking after this, he entered into the water and started swimming just like his mama. Dick chicka dick chicka dick chicka doom, dick chicka dick chicka dick chicka doom, dick chicka dick chicka dick chicka doom, dick chicka dick chicka dick chicka doom. And he was swimming. And you know what happened? But dolphins are really very fun. So he started swimming even faster. Now even you all have to swim with me. And how we will swim? Just like Tutu. Dick chicka dick chicka dick chicka doom. 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 He saw, oh, the dolphins are even far and I have come so far from my house. But yes, I will quickly go meet them and quickly go back home before Mama returns. So come on, let's swim very fast. Dick chicka dick chicka dick chicka doom. 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 Wow, it's fun. It was really very happy. Wow, I can swim very nicely. Dick chicka dick chicka dick chicka doom. 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 Oh, what happened? Something has happened. Why he stopped? Doom. 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 Oh, what's there? What's this? Something is there. Can you guess what is this? And he said, oh God, I can't swim. Dick chicky, dick chicky, dick chicky. And he started drowning. Oh God, he got scared. Mama! Mama! Mama, help me! Mama! And you know what happened meanwhile? Meanwhile, Mama returned home but couldn't find Tutu anywhere near the house. She saw the footstep going towards the sea. She realized little Tutu has gone alone in the sea. She ran as fast as she could and then towards the sea. And then she entered into the water and started swimming. And now she has started swimming as fast as she could. She was swimming very fast. She was swimming very fast. And you know what? Tutu here got stuck in this something. And he was calling his mama. Mama! Mama, I'm stuck. Mama, help me. Mama, please help me. Mama, where are you? Mama, Mama. And Mama heard the sound is coming from long. A faint sound is coming. But she couldn't make out where the Tutu is. Even she was calling Tutu. Tutu, where are you? Tutu, where are you, my baby? And she heard Tutu's sound and she was swimming towards that sound. Okay? And finally, Mama saw little Tutu and his feet was stuck in a plastic bag. Tutu was crying a lot. Mama, Mama, I'm so So Mama had Tutu. Somehow Mama took out that plastic bag, his leg, his feet from the plastic bag, and he made Tutu free. But Tutu was really very tired. He was unable to swim. So Mama quickly took him on her back. And they are coming back home. They are swimming. Mama didn't say anything. Tutu said, I'm so sorry, Mama. I didn't listen to you. He hugged her Mama very tightly. I'm sorry, Mama. I'm really very sorry for not listening to you. But can you tell me what was that? Where my feet was stuck? Was it a big fish? Mama said, no, baby. They were finally on the sand. And Mama said, no, my dear, it was a plastic bag. Plastic bag? What is this? What's that? Mama said, plastic bags are used by human beings and they throw it here and there carelessly, and which are really very harmful for the fish, turtles and all other aquatic animals. We get caught and drawn in the plastic bags while swimming. So that's why I always say not to go alone in the sea. Tutu said, yes, Mama. Now I will always take care during swimming. He hugged his Mama again and he promised, Mama, I will take care of myself now onwards. So children, what did you learn from the story? Yes, we should not use through plastic things like plastic bags, water bottles in the sea, in the water. They are really very harmful to the sea animals, aquatic animals and the creatures. We must take care of all these things. We must take care of all the animals and our environment. So avoid using plastic bags. And now here, that's the end of the story. So I hope you have learned so many new things and I hope you like this story. If you do, please let me know in our Goshtincha Gaon Facebook page. I, Sneha Kulkarni, stop here with this story, but I will come back soon with a new story and new songs. Till then, take care, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.